Hello everybody, Joel here. So today I have my Instapower 950, basically a jump starting pack, and I've got a little bit of trouble. Had to use it for the first time this year to jump the riding lawnmower. The battery was dead over the winter, so I went to use it and I had a bit of a problem with the where the unit plugs in the back. We'll go ahead and we'll take a look at that. It's been a good little jump pack. It's got all the indicator lights, got a little LED light, even has a 12 volt power receptacle here. I haven't ever used it, but I suppose that might be handy for somebody. It's got really good clamps, good heavy duty, heavy gauge wire on it. But the problem I had with it is on the back here. The plug-in to recharge the battery is fixed into this little recess here, which is pretty nice, so you don't have another cord hanging off of here. But we've already got these cords anyways, so I don't know why that would have been such a big deal. But anyways, the casing cracked, and both of these have loosened up. See if I can get in kind of close here and show you. But you can see this is wiggling around, this is wiggling around. And that's not going to work. It was actually starting to arc a little bit. I could hear it crackling. So I'm going to have to take this apart. You can see the cracks in the hard plastic. Take this apart, and I may just go ahead and hardwire a cord into it. Maybe put a cord connector in here and just have the end of a cord hanging out a couple feet long, if I can't find this type of a repair to keep it rigid. But let's see what happens. So I have found that we've got Phillips screws in the back, it looks like anyways, and probably about 10 to 12 of them, I'm assuming, maybe more. But you need a long screwdriver. I found that just a regular length screwdriver will not work. You have to use the longer stem screwdriver to get these screws out. But they are pretty simple once you get going on it. Okay, here I'm into the back of the unit. There's a battery sitting down here, and looks like we've got our plug-in is right here. I'll have to take out these two screws, and it looks like those two yellow wires go up to the back of the circuit board. So it could be as simple as just pulling those out and seeing if I can make the repair. I don't know if I could resolder that back there, but we'll have a look, see what we've got. Okay, so I've got the screws out of this holder plate strap. Okay, I see. So it's just a transformer basically. So I don't think I'm going to be lucky enough to just hardwire a cord into these two yellow wires. Looks like I'm going to have to get this whole transformer replacement part, because this thing is pretty much trash. Hope you can see that. So anyways, it looks like I will order some parts for this, and then we will get back to it. So I went ahead and used some Gorilla epoxy and just epoxied. I could not find a replacement online for this one, a direct replacement. I called the factory. I found the owner's manual on the website, so I got the phone number and I left a message, and nobody has answered the call. I was on hold for about a half an hour with them. I'm sure they're busy. All these places, they can't find parts. So I'm sure it's tough out there. But anyways, I just went ahead and I epoxied the cracked pieces, and this is all holding together just fine. So I'm going to go ahead and reinstall the plug back into place here, and it should all hopefully work fine. That's exactly how it fits. There's the back side. But I'll hook the wires up, put the retainer strap back on, and we'll see if we can get this baby charged back up again. So I'm just getting this retainer clip fastened back in again. I hooked the 2 yellow wires up to the transformer plug. And then we'll check to see on the other side if that's looking good or not. This is a Schumacher unit, so I found out that much. You can see the battery down in the bottom here. Schumacher manufactures it. They've got a lot of these different types of jump packs. And again, it's the 950 instant power. And yeah, I saw one just like it. It doesn't really, I can't find a part number. Actually, maybe that's the part number way down at the bottom there. I bet that is. But the information that I got, I was only looking for the phone number. Obviously, they didn't call me back. And so we'll just see if this works. But here is the back side. Yeah, it fits just perfect. If you remember, those were all loose and busted up. So what I may do is just get a plug that goes on there with another prong that sticks out and leave that one plugged in all the time, so I'm not plugging and unplugging into the back side here, just to see if it'll last a little bit longer. In the meantime, maybe I'll be able to get a hold of Schumacher and get that that transformer part that I need. But anyways, I'm going to put this back together then and plug it in and just see if it will hold charge. Okay, we'll go ahead and get it plugged in here. There we go. Charging up. Once it's fully charged, the light will turn green down here. And then we'll be able to use the pack as a jump start or for other 12 volt items. It's a pretty nice little unit. So anyways, thank you for watching. Just a quick and easy repair. Hopefully I'll be able to get the real part sometime in the future. But hit like and subscribe, and we will see you on the next video.